Oh, what did I get myself into?
Did you hear that? That can't be good.
I think I need a new track bike, but I really don't want to spend a lot of money. So why do I need a new track bike? What's wrong with the old one? Well, despite how much I love it, the 848 is getting old. I bought it way back when I was working at a Ducati dealership 14 years ago. That's 14 years of bouncing off the rev limiter, 100-mile-an-hour pulls on hot August days. Track bikes age like dogs. That would mean that the 848 would be 98 years old in track bike years.
Now, the V4 engine is also an exercise in choosing priorities. Many will say that it's the best engine for a motorcycle.
The V4 is the best engine for a motorcycle, period.
And there's a reason why it's so desirable for motorcycles. And it's because it allows more precise, more organic, more manageable throttle control in a motorcycle.
20 of the 22 fastest motorcycles in the world run V4s.
Hey James, what's going on?
So, I think I found you a bike.
So that's a killer deal, but there's got to be something wrong with it for that price. So Jason and I are headed to go look at this motorcycle. It's a 2019 Tuono. There is, however, one small problem with this motorcycle. It has a hole in the frame. Apparently the owner was recovering from shoulder surgery and it fell over and it landed on a Baxley wheel chock. Would you be willing to ride a 200 horsepower motorcycle with a hole in the frame? A hole in the frame basically makes the bike worthless. If you were to submit it to insurance, it would be a total salvage and they would just write the whole thing off. But it's the factory, it's got all the cool kid stuff on it. And James just happens to have a clean title, immaculate frame in his possession. This could work out to be kind of a perfect situation. So I bought the motorcycle. This is the first new motorcycle I've bought in 10 years. Had no miles on it. The guy had like 4 or 5 bikes. He had a piece of aluminum tape covering the hole in the frame. It's kind of funny. Man, this is working out really well. I'm really excited. And that's a big upgrade from the old 848. The problem is, at this point, I have a week before the next track day. So I have to get this frame swapped immediately.
A cup of tea.
Winter is the perfect time to take on a big project like this. But what I didn't expect and what I didn't prepare for was that it took almost 6 months to get all the parts I needed to turn the Tuono into a super bike. And now I'm in the exact same situation I was last fall. I have an incredibly limited amount of time to get this bike done. I have less than 2 weeks for it to go from disassembled, painted, and turned into a full-on track bike. I hope I can get this thing done in time. Otherwise, I'm gonna be letting a lot of people down. I can't believe it, but I think I'm done. And just in the nick of time, track day is tomorrow. But I think all that's really left to do is we got to look at it.